Hey friends, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And thank you guys so much for all your support while I'm growing this channel. I appreciate it so very much. So what I wanted to bring to you today, I'm actually putting together a vanity. And so the vanity so these are from IKEA. It's two IKEA Alex. I guess you wouldn't really call them a desk, a shelf, but they're Alex tables, I guess you would say. And that's what these are. They're nice. They got lots of good drawers. So I use this. This is also what I use in my craft room. And then the tabletop is I think it's the Limone or whatever, the medium one. So the Alex drawers are $89 a piece, and then the tabletop is $22. So about $200 for the setup. It's my stool from my craft room. I haven't decided if I'm going to leave it here. Depends on what I can find tomorrow when I'm looking for a stool. I'm hoping to get something that will match this kind of purple, more purple pink here. So we'll see. And then let's see. This picture here I made using my Cricut. You can see I kind of did some really light color there because I wanted it to look etched, and I didn't feel like etching it. So this windowsill here that I got, or window shutter, I guess you would call it, but I got that from IKEA, and it was in their last chance. So it's actually like a door to something or other. But their last chance spot is so great because you can find pieces and parts there all the time. So you can buy like a big piece of wood that was maybe part of a shelf, like all different kinds of things to do fun signs on, and you can get them for a super good price. Like I paid $2.80 for that window, and it's like thick and good. It's a nice piece of wood. And then that one there I did a video on. So IKEA frame, and then I used my Cricut to make the letters. And yeah, so that's it. Don't mind my little pile there in the back in the mirror. It's my stuff I've been working on putting away today. So laundry that has to be hung up. I was so good. I did all my laundry. And then some packages from my mother-in-law. I saw her today. I hadn't seen her since, oh my goodness, since the baby was born. So I didn't see her for my birthday or Christmas because everybody in her house has been through the flu, and I didn't want to give it to the baby for sure. So this mirror is the project that I'm bringing to you today. I am so happy with how it came out. Now, this mirror cost me about $65, I think. To be honest, I wasn't doing a great job of keeping up with the cost, but I think it was about $65. So the mirror itself came from Walmart. It was $6.67, one of those inexpensive mirrors that go on the back of a door. Now, you could definitely do this project a whole lot cheaper, just by not making it so big. So the frame that's around the mirror, I just really wanted to use because it actually came out of packing from my grandson's bedroom set. So my daughter got his furniture from Pottery Barn Children's, and if you've ever gotten anything from Pottery Barn, they really package everything super nice. So there was a piece that went around his changing table, and it looked like a frame, super thick particle board, like so much nicer than stuff that you like actually pay money for. And this was packing, super thick, super nice. And because it was his from his furniture, I just really wanted to use it. So it made this frame really, really wide. So you can definitely do the frame, of course, however you want. This is really just to, give you inspiration if it's something that you would like. So I will tell you, I burnt myself a lot. I'm usually pretty good with my hot glue, but I used a lot of hot glue, and some of the flowers are so small that I really burnt myself a lot. So be careful. And now I would suggest you can by all means use Dollar Tree flowers, but you can see the difference. So these are Dollar Tree flowers, and mind you, they're very pretty flowers, but putting them on something like this, they're really quite flimsy compared to, you can just tell the difference in, these more expensive flowers. So honestly, the majority of this, and it's why it's expensive. See, there's all my laundry to put away. Um, it's why it's expensive though, is because, oh, and look, there's my dog. She's so sweet. Chloe! She's old, and all she wants to do anymore is sleep. She wants to be in the same room I am no matter what, but she wants to sleep. Usually it's under my craft desk, but she's a darling. So anyways, so I purchased most of the flowers at Michael's. I did actually get a few from Ross, and I got some from Walmart. And even though, these are more expensive, you can see because they're sturdy, like each flower actually takes up space as opposed to the Dollar Tree ones. So the Dollar Tree ones are on the side, and then I did it again on this side. So those are, and now mind you, there's some other ones mixed in that are not Dollar Tree and with them, but for the most part, those are the Dollar Tree flowers. So you can definitely tell the difference, and I think that in the long run, it is definitely out. See, you can tell I'm doing laundry, so please don't mind it. My bed's all tore apart because I'm washing my sheets. But you can definitely tell the difference between, the better flowers and the Dollar Tree ones. So it's worth it. So, if you don't want to spend that much, by all means do a much smaller mirror. But I definitely like how this turned out. So I'm going to put together my vanity, and listen, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Love to have you as a subby friend. And, I'm working really hard to bring videos of the things that I'm doing to give you some inspiration, and I greatly appreciate the support. So listen, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful rest of the day. I hope you like this video and this project. So if you do, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see it put together, keep watching. Thanks. Bye. All right, so I'm going to make the mirror for my vanity. Now, I know that this bottom mirror is a little bit long, and that's okay because I feel like I can cover it with the flowers. Now this is going to take a lot of flowers. So you can do this and, you know, just put some wood around. Honestly, you can cover only this part if you wanted to, or if you like, I want it to be a lot of flowers. I want it really wide, and so you could put wood on it if you wanted that as well. And the other thing is, I really want to use this. So this, look how thick that is. I mean, it's particle board, but it's so thick and amazing. But this came from, this is the packaging from my grandson's baby room furniture, and it's from Pottery Barn Kids. So even the packaging is like outstanding. I can't believe how thick this is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use hot glue and E6000. So the reason I'm gonna use both is because the hot glue will keep it in place now. E6000 will keep it in place long term. So I have a little bit of standout on the edges, but I feel like I can cover that, you know, when I do flowers along the edges. I feel like I'll be able to cover that pretty well. And then I know that I have a gap in here, so I'll have to use some pretty big flowers in here. So we'll see how that goes. Now I'm hoping that I have enough flowers. I'll be honest, I may very well have to buy some more. This is going to take a lot of flowers. So I have a good combination of, I have flowers from Dollar Tree, so these right here, these are from Michael's. So right now, Michael's, the florals are 50% off, and then they've got an additional 20% off entire purchase. So I may very well have to get some more flowers. We'll see how that goes. Now these ones here are all Dollar Tree flowers, but you know, they're pretty, and I thought that they would, you know, certainly look nice in there. And then these are also Dollar Tree. So these I got at Walmart on clearance. Now, of course, I'm only going to use, you know, the off-white ones in there. I'm not going to use the fall ones. Those will go for something else. Look how pretty these roses are. These are also from, those are from Michael's. Let's see. Now, these nice big flowers here, and it's got some twine I can still use also, but these are from Ross. So these, $5.99. I thought that was a really good deal. So I've got these big ones. Hopefully I have enough big ones to go, you know, around the outer edge. We'll see. If not, then I'll have to get more. All right, so we are going to, this is going to take a long time, so we're going to go on fast mode and just get it done. All right, so I will see you back when it's done. All right, so this project is completed. I have a big mess to clean up. However, I will tell you, I absolutely love this. So you can definitely do it a lot more cost efficient than I did. You can use more Dollar Tree flowers. However, at the end of the day, I'm going to be honest, the Dollar Tree flowers, because they're not as stiff as the more expensive flowers, I still think it would take a whole lot more of them than it did the more expensive flowers. And the Dollar Tree flowers were very nice for filler on the side where I needed to fill in so that you couldn't see the mirror hanging over. So that was good. However, I think the more expensive flowers look so much nicer on the mirror itself. So I think, honestly, if I needed to do this less expensive, I would just do a smaller mirror, because I did a very large space with this. So I did have to stop in between and go get some more flowers, but I'm super happy with it. Now, I sort of lost count, but I believe that this ended up being about $65 altogether. It definitely helped that Michael's has flowers on sale and then an additional 20% off your purchase. That helped a lot. And I also got some really pretty flowers from Walmart, to be fair. All right, well, I'm going to get this up on my dresser or by vanity and see how it goes. Thanks, and you have a beautiful and blessed rest of the day. Bye.